Sending mass invitations to friends on Temu is a great way to connect with others who share similar interests and expand your social network. To do this, follow these simple steps. First, open the Temu app and log into your account. If you do not have an account, create one by following the sign-up process. Once you are logged in, navigate to your profile page by tapping on your profile picture or username. Next, locate the Friends or Contacts section, usually represented by a person or a group icon. Tap on this icon to view your current friends list and see the option to add new friends. To send mass invitations, you will need to access your phone's contact list. Tap on the Invite Friends option and select the method you want to use to send invitations, such as via SMS, email, or social media platforms. Choose the contacts you want to invite and tap the Send button. You can also personalize your invitation message by adding a note or a greeting. Make sure to review the list of contacts you have selected to avoid sending invitations to the wrong people. After sending the invitations, you can track who has accepted or declined your request. You can also resend invitations to those who have not responded yet. Best practices for sending mass invitations include being mindful of the number of invitations you send at once, as sending too many may be considered spam. Also, make sure to only invite people who you think would be genuinely interested in joining Temu. By following these steps, you can easily send mass invitations to your friends on Temu and grow your social network. Remember to always be respectful and considerate when sending invitations, and to only invite people who you think would be a good fit for the platform.